ya fa na adwuma no bi na o tifie mahama time onya kwanya na wawuro no so ka bi say
yes
incompetent
yes and then now why we fee free SHS president Addo the buy 2018 I won control was it 20 first e buy ja won control e bin see da ye ko school na pass go to wow na ko to pass go ban ya chema de we wasan boka ko to pass go am sem emwa mo wa woni enkwala ne ye emma wo bitimi bodua wa bo hudua adome wo ho wankasa wa bo hudua ne wa ma wo aduane ama wo nsu anom da ama wo nkwa o kasete na benya but yi nipa abo kokokora sabi eye chenye esi wona nipa no odi ne hyew no o kai bo aboa o kesi ya na ne refi enti me say that me obi kasa ya president Addo ofia me media lady bi me no say mo kwan se me boni din ya
no kana
another station president Akufo-Addo fia bansho wonya ayi anomakro enchia no enam se fia mo be fi no Ghana ano because okowia na mo be kinkan se ne mo ye president Akufo no me I'm not surprised I'm not surprised either yes ye nipa enioma nketinketi bi wo ha ejam of metime aka say me aban nitimi ye ya enka dede ne beba fem kakra
ti say the way
oh and yes sir shaf ye nyina ya ka ejam of inti nyasa onipa ba Akufo ti na nipa ba Akufo nti wo mre wo mo mre
o ma bre penfo na
bre ejam of be bre
o mo akro o mo kanso o ma bre
o
mo fo ma no nkan o mo ne ye na kire wo say wa bre
na say actions they say speak louder than words obu o ha we ni su ene ni posturing e cho say adwuma na wo ye na ni a wa bre so ene enioma bu o ha na ye we say president ye nim no enkapasho na eja kwatena akoyese koyese eno so manipa kwan ema wo mo so ebi di yawo ebi di amemrefe ene beka na ye ken a wo gitum say wo kan wonim say yes o kapa president Addo danko Akufo-Addo adwuma wa ye de agya afofa CSET na ha say na de bia me ben makan age ye the whole day ba ye mo ye be so so nkakran ye de nya Akufo beti
but as I was to asma for the audit
Joyce aka bebre wa kan nyina kra na me wo health sector there ma me bi o Makola o se Akufo-Addo free power ye be so touch ne dia we no ye be fina me be so touch e dia kwa ko we no si ehu
say o mo ke kan o mo kan o ma dwen
Ghana for na do ye adwuma e mo na baso na fe ma me
so in Ghana mo be gina na mayo ma no se mpreko a omudi bin no was doom so not in Ghana was siafo kwa e jimi fo asefo nyansa na mu nintia de bia me kan me say NDC ye mpreko party o join NDC na se nyansa wo tirimu na problem wo ho ukufiefo na abodua wo nyansa na wo join NDC a ufiefo na abodua ko say yen kwasiafo party and I will say it anywhere every time anytime I get a chance to asiafo nyansa ni mutirimu mo kwasiab sa governance na mo babedi ye no na esi edu nketia wa ya ne sa gawu ejina ho charge block back 150 Ghana. And also, I mean, wasn't a Siedun Ketia, we dam, wasn't he charging 15 CDs per block? A bodam for a 7 minimum sentino, Mus will be a yard department where you are trying to shut them down. Man, don't bring that foolish thing on me. Now, let me tell you why your stupid Mahama was supposed to resign. Let me show you why. Because yes, Mahama Nidina say, Ebo Modama say, you bet dinner them won't so a passia. Munim, say Mahama no na say ebo ni din ama mo hom waba. Ye be kira mo say Mahama is the most useless president Ghana has ever had. And I put my life on that. I put my fucking life on that. Mahama no na say ebo ni din ama mo Jimmy sorry. Mahama is the most useless, triple useless president ever. Pasiapa. Na mama Alice, asma me buy ya me kai. Me di obi atem. Me ko bo obi din. Me kira mo kwase governance amu be give ye. Nkwasia governance I'm going to mention Ghana for say the only way a Ghanaian youth can survive is if that person relies on the government. Kwasia, how many of the job you are doing that really belongs to the government? Ejuma when your government na dem ahụ. Portabi over Italy. Ejuma on guy he said Italy, Ejuma over Italy. Bisane say Ejuma come na mo ahen and the Italy government na biye. Bisano when Jimmy everything give her job. Ya the man muso anam we say mo dey work krono. Ya the mo ko share Ejuma muso a na mo dey work krono. Ehia for asefo anyan send mutrim to better your life. Kwasiakwa one the catch say John Dramani Mahama can come and change your life. You gave him 12 fucking years of your stupid life and he still didn't do nothing for even your party. On one crop for cry, he couldn't do nothing for them. Kwasiakwa. I am a very useless president. Now when you're useless president, Anka, mindful to your high electricity bill. You still couldn't keep the lights on for them and the same foolish people are following you are. When you're Jimmy for. Brother Roman, if you were giving the electricity bill of Ghana, every household was paying. We gave it to John Dramani Mahama. He was not able to keep the lights on. And you are sitting in the fence telling us, hey, we should bring the same person who took our electricity bill but didn't pay our electricity. So we were in doom. So businesses were collapsing. Kids couldn't even get energy to study. Kona question the BEC results. I would always tell you guys the truth. And you guys can do foco. Asiapa. Officer John Mahama Bobra and Carl Rollins would dissociate himself from them. Your own founder detested of. He didn't want to see the face of John Dramani Mahama. And you see a secret. One and then him said Chairman Rollins, not Mahama. Advised on the economic management team just like Bawumia was doing. The dollar was 1-to-1. Utie. Before he left office, the dollar was 480 at some places near Toma 5. The dollar was 480 at some places near Toma 5. Now follow me. When Atamils went to IMF, Atamils koji sika till Atamils okoji sika. Eno de buy say ye de beye adwuma e wo Ghana. Atamils wan fire budget an koma bruni sa de ne ye kan e ya monte ase because mama politics no e didi mutiri no so obi Kenya ansasem kura na mofa ne say ye jimisem, but some of you we will let you know. Some of you we are going to keep telling you the truth until you know. Atamils went to IMF. Kufuor went to IMF. Kufuor IMF or Koyeno, near friend Hepik, highly indebted poor country. Say, ye ko my yadi yakani bi ayeden acheyen. Ne biso ya chum to say 100 years, ne 60 years for us to take to pay. Kufuor free mubano, na Ghana ye dollar, and it said seed ne dollar no aye one. Atamils echo IMF, or no so call your debeshe muno, kwana ko check 2011. Go and check the GDP growth of 2011. I want everybody to do this for me. Look at the magic Atamils and his so-called Mahama perform. They were able, after they took the IMF money, they were able to grow the country at least to some point where we had a GDP of 14.05.